Welcome guys, today I am with JBL Party Box 110 and I'm going to show you how you can connect this speaker to your iPhone. So at the first you have to power on this device by using this button. So click on it once. After a few seconds speaker will be turned on. And you have to move the speaker to the pairing mode. In my case it just happened automatically, but if in your case it's not working, just click on the Bluetooth button once until it starts blinking. The next step is very simple. You have to just grab your iPhone, open the settings, move for the Bluetooth settings and enable Bluetooth, and after that, after a few seconds, your speaker will be visible. As you can see, it's the JBL Party Box 110, so you have to click on it once. And as you can see, and as you can hear also this notification, we are successfully connected. So that's how we can make it in the JBL Party Box 110. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.